So down here in Hither in South East London, this is another project we're currently working on for OBC Design, Build and Renovate. We do quite a lot of work for these guys, so they've got us in on this project. I've done quite a few jobs for these over the years, so this is a big job they really needed a lot of help with. So what we've done is we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks, once again with matching imperial bricks. Then what we've done on this project is stripped all of the paint off all of the stonework, as the paintwork was in real bad condition, really badly blistered, couldn't be painted over, so we've burnt all of the old paint off. Now we're basically filling every single piece of stone, all of the coins, all of the way up. They've all got to be filled. Every part of the stonework's got to be face filled, rubbed down, miscoated, painted, then filled and then painted again. So this is a real big job. All of this seal has been completely restored. This was completely broken into 3 sections, so the lads have restored the seal the whole way through. So today we're going to carry on rubbing down all of this filler. Done loads of repairs on all of the coins. They've got to be filled and painted. Let me show you upstairs. So if you do want your paintwork to come up super sharp, have lovely sharp profiles and sharp edges, this is what we suggest to all our customers, is to burn all of the paint off and then basically fill everything, get everything smooth once, miscoat, fill again, get everything smooth. So we're going to start miscoating all of this top lift today. All of this seal here has got to be restored as well. That's completely deteriorated all the way through. Been doing lots of other repairs on all the coins, and other parts of the stonework all being restored. So now we've got that nice smooth finish ready for decoration. All of the filling underneath the soffit and cornice work there, seals again all being rubbed down and filled. Yeah, but all the pointings come out really well. Gonna dust everything down this morning before we start any paintwork. We'll have a good clear up, and then we'll get some decoration down on this top lift. So I know the builders want this side elevation taken down tomorrow. We'll do some more landscaping down on the side. So we'll get some paint on this today, one miscoat, then we'll start going back over it all again with filler. But this is the way to do it properly. If you really do want your stonework looking super crisp, then basically just burn it all off, fill, rub down, miscoat, keep filling until all of your profiles are super sharp. It's a very long process to do, but that's the best way to do it. So this is going to look really good once it's all finished. Client who owns the house is really happy with how it's all coming out. Richard, the owner of the building company, once again happy with the work that we always do for them. So we've got a couple more lined up for us later part of this year. These guys here, really good builders, do loads of extension work all around South East London. So if you, as you can see now, how that seal's going to look once it's all rubbed down, get all them profiles sharp, all of the work on all of the corbels, then repairs on the coins will come out amazing as well. So all of this detail here, get all of these lines super sharp. As you can see, the irises now on the edge of these going to look super sharp, rub down, fill, and then ready for that decoration. So we'll show you some more progress next week once this is all finished. And like I say, if you've got any questions about any decoration work, pointing work, just give us a call, get in contact. I'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.